Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI builder website, which is Saita and Wix. So you get started with a quick overview. Saita is a design first AI website builder focused on simplicity and visual creativity. It allows users, especially designers and marketers, to build a powerful and beautiful statistics website without writing code with a fragile like editors and clean UI. It's great for landing page portfolios, but limited for complex business needs. Talking about Wix on the other side, it's a comprehensive AI enhanced website builder that supports everything from a personal blog to a full-blown e-commerce platform. It's Wix IDI, which is the artificial design intelligence features, generate websites quickly based on users' input, while the platform supports deep customization and app integration together with the scalable features. And here's the downside about this platform. So about the downside of these two platforms, starting with the Wix, it can feel blunted or slow with a low or too many features. The learning curve for deep customization can be a little bit scary, and the high price for full features access is expensive. So talking about the downside of the site, limited SEO and blogging or e-commerce tools, no built-in marketers or business features. Together, it also lack any high content generation beyond layout.